Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to teach you how to download a browser without technically using a browser. Now this will work in Windows 7 and after, and probably also a few versions before, but I don't know how early it goes. This will only work on Windows. Now to do this you will need an internet connection, and I've already checked it has an internet connection. Now first of all you're going to press Windows R. After you've pressed Windows R, a small window will pop up in the bottom left corner. Now I want you to type this command into the little window. This command will also be in the description of this video. You then press OK. After a few seconds, or maybe a minute or more if your computer is slow, you will get this little window that will pop up in the top right corner. You can just make this big. You'll have to press the one called PUB, then you'll have to press the one called Firefox, then you'll have to press the one called Releases. Then you scroll down until you find the one called 115. There are several which have 115 in the name. You're looking for anything that says 115 dot something and then ESR. I will just take the one that has the highest number because why not? But if this doesn't work for you, maybe you should try one of the other ones with 115 on it. Now here I don't actually remember what you're supposed to pick. Just pick the one that should work for your system. This is a, I think, 64-bit system, so I will find a 64-bit version, which should be the one called Win64. Then I think this is a language selection. I will just pick English, which should be EN, and then there's between Canadian, British or American. I'll just pick American. And then there are between two versions I can see. I'll pick the EXE. You will now see this kind of thing on your screen, and you will have to say save the file, don't run the file. You actually get a little window where you have to pick where it's going to download. I'll just pick it to be downloaded in the downloads folder. Now is when you actually have to wait for it to download. After some time you will see a window that says that the download has been finished. Now you can just press close and close the window. Then you have to go into File Explorer. Then you have to go into the window where you downloaded. I downloaded it in the downloads folder, so that's where I will go. Now you just run it like any normal executable. You might get a window like this that asks if you actually want to run it, and you will just have to press yes. After a little bit more waiting you will see this. You'll just have to press next. Then after this you have to choose the type of setup you prefer. Now I'll just pick standard and press next. Then you'll get this screen. Now you can choose whether or not you want to open Firefox after pressing finish. I'll choose to do so just to show that it worked. And as you can see, we have Firefox open, and if I press on the search bar and I search YouTube, then YouTube opens just fine, and we can search for a channel. For example, this one. So that is how you install a browser without technically using a browser. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.